Hello, Becca here, and I welcome you to today's class, Fred Excel Consult. In today's session, we'll be walking you through the choose function. I'm sure you are not very familiar with the choose function, but I bet you it's an exciting one. Sit back, get your tools, get your laptops, and let's get going. Okay, so the choose function, it's one of Excel's lookup functions, but not quite a popular one, but then a very interesting function if you get to know its usage. Now, here is a dummy data which represents a reward scheme we'd want to introduce, say, in our company, where we would like to give rewards to all our customers, but the prizes will be determined by the category each of our customers fall into. So you have the first column being the reward category. That is those that have bought our products worth 10,000 Ghana cedis and above. Then we move right on to 8,000 to 999, 6,000 to 799, and it goes on and on right through to below 500. So we have the number of customers represented in each reward category here. Then the price we would like to give as a reward to each of our customers, the unit cost, and then the amount involved. Now with this, we decided to create two different scenarios and say we would like to propose these scenarios to our boss, but then we're not sure which one we will finalize on. So in order not to go back and forth, we're going to be using the choose function to switch in between these two scenarios. So you hit your equal to sign, then choose. You open brackets. Since you're going in for scenario 1, we'll therefore choose our index as 1, comma, then the first value, which in this case is E12. So we referenced the cell E12, then comma, we move to the second value, which in this case is in cell I12. Then you close your brackets and you hit enter. Now you realize that our result here is giving us the total amount we would be required to spend if we should choose scenario 1. On the other hand, we can as well introduce a sum function and we'll still arrive at the same results. So you hit your equal to sign, then sum, you open your brackets, then your choose function, you open your brackets again, then you select your index 1, comma, then you select your first array, comma, then your second array. Then you close your brackets and you hit enter. Now introducing the sum function here is going to sum up all the values that falls under that particular array. So here you go. You can see that it's giving us the same results. Now let's change the formatting by introducing the format painter here. Now the trick is, even if you should come back to your data and make some adjustments to your values, you still have it be reflected here in the cell where you apply the choose function. Now, if let's say you decided to go in for scenario 2 instead of scenario 1, all you need to do here is to change the index from 1 to 2. And there you have your values changing to that of scenario 2. Again, you can go ahead and make some adjustments to your values. It will automatically change in the cell where you apply this choose function. Now with this, no matter where you've referenced these scenarios in your report, you wouldn't have to go back and forth trying to make corrections. It will automatically change to suit the values that has been adjusted. Thank you for joining in today. I believe you enjoyed the class. Please share your experiences with us. Do well to follow us on all social media platforms. We are Fred Excel on all platforms. Thank you and see you next time.